We're going to prove that given two parallel lines, alternate exterior angles are congruent. We can start with the given. And we're trying to prove that angle 1 and 7 are congruent. So we're going to start with either 1 or 7. I'll start with 1 and hop around until we get to 7, and then we'll use substitution to put them together. There's lots of ways you can go from here. I'm going to connect angle 1 and 3. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. That's because they're vertical angles. Vertical angle theorem. And then we want to try to connect 3 to 7. 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. So angle 3 is congruent to angle 7 because of the corresponding angle theorem. And now we're able to connect 1 and 7 by substitution. So if angle 3 and 7 are congruent, then instead of 3 we can put in 1. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 7. And that's by substitution. There are multiple other ways that we could have proved this. For example, we could have connected 1 to 5 by saying they were corresponding, and then 5 to 7 because they're vertical angles. Or we could have connected 1 to 3 because of vertical, 3 to 5 because alternate interior, and then 5 to 7 because of vertical. So there's many ways of proving these theorems. I would just recommend picking whatever makes the most sense to you rather than necessarily what's the shortest.